a 0.1 molar solution of hydrofluoric acid that has a pH of 3.5. Okay, so that's what I want to end up. So this is what you're going to do in the lab tomorrow. I'm going to give you 200 milliliters of a 0.1 molar solution of hydrofluoric acid. I want to know how much potassium fluoride I should add to this. Now, the easiest way to do this is start with the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. pKa plus the log of your anion concentration divided by the concentration of your acid. You know where you want to end up. You want to end up at 3.50. Okay? That's where you want to end up. Now, to save you some time, if you take the negative log of the Ka of acetic acid, you get 3.17 plus the log. Now, here's the story. You know the concentration of the acid. You know that that's 0.1. So this is, forgive my kind of sloppy handwriting. So this is the log. And down below, I know that that's 0.1. What I don't know is the concentration of my fluoride ion. So at this point, it turns into an algebra problem. I want to get the fluoride ion concentration by itself. So what are you going to do?
Subtract 317.
So I'm going to subtract 3.17, okay, which gets you 0.33 equals the log of your anion concentration divided by 0.1. Now, how are you going to undo the log?
10 to the negative.
Now, am I going to take 10 to the negative 0.33 or 10 to the positive 0.33? Positive, because this is not pH. This is not negative log. I'm just going to take 10 to the 0.33 equals my anion concentration divided by 0.1. Now, here's what's going to be important. When you get done and you get that anion concentration, what units is that going to be in?
Molarity.
That's molarity, which is moles per liter. You're not mixing up an entire liter. How much are you mixing up?
A little bit. 0.2.
200 milliliters. So you find the molarity, multiply that by 0.2. There's your moles. And then if you want mass, you can work that into grams. Okay. Oh. If y'all ever get votes,
Yeah.
Did you get 4.99?
you got a long time.
I forget.
If you ever get votes,
I think so. Pretty much up more than 20 minutes.
yeah, I'll Okay. So let me get you started on some of these. I know you all have to go, just very briefly. Couple words of advice. In big bold letters, a lot of these I've said to write the net ionic equation. Charges. Okay? Now, on a lot of these, you have different parts. Like, for example, on number 6, you have A, B, C, and D. Here's your piece of paper. Here's your line. Here's your answer to 6A. I want the work to 6A right there. Okay? Leave a space. Then I want the answer to 6B. That work. Okay? Don't put the answers here and then expect me to figure out what's going on over there. You keep that work right beside that answer. Okay, good luck. Run your own. I know it sounds like people y'all have to go.
For kids.
Yes.
I know, right?